Hey guys, it's Rhoda Eats, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my delicious curried chicken. It goes great with regular white rice, with coconut rice, with roti. Video coming soon. And I just want to show you step by step how I make it. It's delicious no matter what I pair it with. So subscribe to my channel for more great content and watch as I show you how I do what I do. Okay, so don't mind this. This is from my tripod and stuff like that. But I am going to use onions, of course, more curry powder, a bit of ground cumin, some turmeric, garlic, and black pepper. And I think I will be just reinforcing the seasoning on the chicken with about a teaspoon of each of these. And that's it. Oop, let me find somewhere I can put it. There we go. So first, I'm gonna take some olive oil and spray it into my hot pot. Next, I'm going to add my onions and I'm gonna let them cook down for a bit until they're nice and translucent. Now I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons, so that will be the smaller version to the tablespoons that everyone has at their house. I'm gonna take 2 of these and add it to the pot with the onion and the oil, and I'm gonna stir it until it's all combined. I let the curry cook until it started to get a little bit darker in color. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken broth, just a bit, to kind of make it into a paste so that it can continue to cook without burning. Cooking it this long makes the flavor so deep and rich, and it also makes the texture very smooth. Curry powder sometimes tends to be a bit grainy, so cooking it like this will ensure for a smooth curry. Do you see this deep color? It's exactly what I'm looking for, and it happens after about 5 to 6 minutes of cooking and stirring occasionally. And now I'm just going to add my seasonings. I feel like we've developed the curry flavor enough now, so I can add the seasonings. I'm adding about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of everything that I showed you in my ingredient list as far as seasoning goes, but this is completely dependent upon you. You put how much ever you like to get the flavor that you want. And I'm gonna stir it in, and I'm not gonna add any liquid as yet, and you will see why soon. So I added in my boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and last minute I decided to add some Sazon, 1 packet of Sazon, just to help to get that flavor more. I really love it. I could put it in anything if you let me, and still no liquid. As you add your chicken in and start to stir it around and get it coated with the curry paste that you just made, you'll notice that it starts to produce its own liquid, and that's exactly what you want. That way you don't just add a bunch of liquid and it may become what you don't want it to be. As you can see, as the video progresses, I'm just allowing the chicken to just cook to show you how much liquid it does produce. I do put my own liquid. I add some chicken broth to my pot because I love a lot of gravy. Also, if you have potatoes, you may want to nestle that in there now along with your thyme and rosemary and whatever other herbs that you'd like to add just to enhance the flavor even more. But this was an on the whim, I just wanted curry thing for me, so I don't have any of that. I just wanted curry chicken with baked potatoes with salt, pepper, and butter, and that's what I had, and it was absolutely delicious. Okay guys, this is the result of cooking covered for about 35 to 40 minutes. This is how I make my delicious curry. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe.